here's what I'm going to do. I want to actually see what's going on. I haven't looked at what the contract's doing, so I want to take a look. So if you guys want, why don't you do this right now? You guys that are at home, why don't you go with your browser, Control T, open a new tab, and go to https://go.hex.win. Now it's going to tell you need Metamask installed, right? Well, install Metamask. And you don't Metamask is really easy to use. You don't have to actually go through the process of saving your keys and creating a password and all that stuff. If you really just want to create a throwaway so you can see this really quickly and just remember it's a throwaway, then you can just install Metamask, click next a bunch of times, and hammer the enter button, and you're going to end up being able to see the contract, which is what I'm going to do right now. If you do that though, just remember, if you forget that it's a throwaway and you send money to it, probably going to lose all your money. So, in the real world, your seed words are the most important thing ever possible. You should never, ever, ever enter your private keys or your seed words into a website ever. Don't ever do it. People say this about Hex because they're stupid and they just have low attention spans, I guess. They say things like, I don't want to lose my private keys. Well, don't. There's a feature that's built into the wallet. You sign a statement. The statement you can just do, you can give anybody you want the statement, as long as you understand what you're signing, right? The signature that we have is claim hex to your Ethereum address, and that's it.